You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're diving into the core values and benefits that set SDC International Shipping apart as your trusted partner in global relocations. Are you planning an international move? Look no further than SDC International Shipping. We specialize in full-service relocations, handling everything from household goods to vehicles, pianos, and fine art with precision and care. Choosing the right international moving partner is crucial when embarking on a journey to a new place. At SDC International Shipping, we understand the weight of this decision. With numerous options available, navigating through the sea of moving services can be, overwhelming. And that's why we stand out as a reputable provider dedicated to ensuring a smooth transition for our clients. So what sets us apart? First, our commitment to excellence translates into real benefits throughout your relocation journey. From world-class shipping service to availability and professional assistance from our expert movers, we're here to provide you with a personalized and reliable experience. Each client's needs are unique, and we tailor our solutions accordingly. Whether you prefer air or sea shipping, we offer both options to accommodate your requirements. Air shipping provides the quickest route, while sea shipping offers a safe, cost-effective choice. Rest assured, our seasoned movers guarantee the secure transfer of your belongings to your new overseas home. We understand the intricacies of international relocation can be daunting, and that's why our dedicated moving consultants are here to guide you through the necessary paperwork and streamline the entire moving process. Our cutting-edge technology ensures 24/7 shipment tracking, keeping you informed about the location of your possessions every step of the way. Are you pressed for time? Well, let our expert movers assist you with packing, ensuring your belongings are ready for the journey ahead. We've got you covered, from comprehensive moving checklists to meticulous attention to detail. With SDC International Shipping, experience a swift and hassle-free relocation backed by our proven track record and commitment to excellence. Ready to make your international move seamless and stress-free? Contact SDC International Shipping today and embark on your new adventure with confidence. Visit our website to learn more about our services and get started on your journey to a new home overseas. Thanks for listening today. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on international moves. Until next time, happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.